Ngibona ila game wena unofi hagiwagi
ndi game lanto kana
it's a game itonga squid game nazo okay. Niko force instruction uritani mini so ilazofi ni one comes niko budziwo fi itani gonyana unubona ndi pose ngange hey itani mini so unwana ala atwa kubitamela game because I checked it now okay
itaboka mini okay suppose ni ya cast
you can download naka computer mara naka phone you can download it
ni ya ka Play Store nasikana je
na check yani hagiwagi and then so uzikona chimwe chipinga rara na mabibira kaka na bomarume wa duru na mini ara ni kudozori ni na YouTube ka phone download ani YouTube ya bana
yes YouTube for kids yes
for kids and for adults
yes
kunaya ngori ara ni chidori ngopongwa na phone akwaka YouTube aba akodo shumisa ya ineno set auri okay 18 na top 18 yanta ito visa video
just to clear that ne mama's boy ara ne yaka YouTube ningo upload sa video ne yeah, sorry, is this video made for kids or for adults? Not for kids, which means this video might be featured on the YouTube for kids.
Yeah.
I tell you, you don't can't.
No. Not jinanga about na sechai.
Hey,
niya diwana
mara. Which means just say that video might be they will review it or yekamin
kaya bana. So ndori ndichicheka ni hagiwagi kantu. Ka YouTube for kids ne I don't know maybe zune doba yona tungu iwana mara kaba hulwane ihona so problem dori wana go expose what a lot of videos ngari recover pa Facebook YouTube dashu kwa ushimza YouTube ineni so ini was ko loga in naitra and download the YouTube for kids ndizo zinoza siya bana ni chwa
mara tai zona zo min ndo jana ka TikTok ne ka TikTok ndiko jana na jana ka TikTok there's videos in this cover ngwana ngusoko scroll nichiri idikuona na mimi hagiwagi what videos zaone there are people who are promoting that whatever
that game the same way as what we promote squid game
so what does that mean? Does it mean that TikTok you got your banana TikTok for kids? Is that TikTok for kids or you need to take your kids out of TikTok?
But you need to take your kids out of TikTok.
But do you know Uri, even though you can keep them out of TikTok, mara awande morala is 10. Angadira chijena ka TikTok ari I'm 22.
No. Orala awande mana teneti. Hoyo wako no buzori wako no dwori ndi game ino. Problem ndi amusi mwana na buma 5 years. Chichi komu buzori konya no bondo ndi pause pass. Ngobona. Konya itani zoso. Itani so.
No,
Jani,
mara ifa.
Ya no Jani, I think unomwelezo fi Jani unufanga niyo ngobona ni teso. Tipe ko fazi extraction. So angwana mtokui. Angazwite zo zitu. Mara onothanya. Zedi bazu kwini nyama.
Mara nema khou mwana una TikTok. Ngwana. Una TikTok una 10 years kana una 9 years. Uko jena pula ofi khazi pose pass mini. Antwamba nayo ri the game mini. Urida mila ngwana.
Distractions.
Urida zina kubuzwa zona.
Ngobona.
Nchibuyani kuona mwana oiti yami.
Ndikoto kulimeza barezi.
Mwana
Duridi hazo ndamba chimwe chipingai. Try and keep your kids away from certain things. Mara zinu ziyakonda ngori